A GCP organization is the top-level node in GCP's resource hierarchy. It represents your company and lets you centrally manage and govern all of your GCP resources, like projects, folders, and individual services under a single umbrella. You must own a verified domain as a prerequisite to setting up an organization. GCP Organization is your foundational governance boundary. It unifies identity, access control, billing, and policy management across every project and resource in your Google Cloud environment. By setting up an organization and thoughtfully layering folders, IAM roles, and policies, you gain both visibility and control at enterprise scale.